for many, this motion is automatic. But imagine you lose your arm, spend months of time for the training to use robotic prosthetic. It's still limited to two motion, open and close. Even worse, it sometimes does not understand your mind. So even a small task, like picking up a pencil or hold the glasses, becomes hard. So what would you do? Abandon it. In fact, 1.5 million users abandon these devices simply because it cannot do what it's supposed or intended to do. Luckily, here at EcoMotion, we have developed the first wearable ultrasound-based control system for prosthetics. We solve such problem by using ultrasound to detect muscle activities in real time, and by applying machine learning, we enable smooth, natural control of individual fingers, like this, all at once. It's intuitive, it's responsive, it's built for the real life. We are also part of the 3 million Europe EU project. We are also partnering with 7 global institutions. So today, we are raising £5 million to complete the clinical trials and be ready to submit for the regulatory approval. So join us. Let's bring the nature movement back to the prosthetics user and let them be themselves again. Thank you.
So how does your system differ from the traditional myoelectric prosthesis, which I believe uses signals generated from muscle, for example, yeah?
Yeah, so currently the existing company, which I think named Open Bionic, is one of the biggest company that in this area. And the method they use is so-called SEMG. So ours is way more different because we're using ultrasound. Ultrasound is a mechanism. And this kind of stuff would be way more accurate, and it can control the individual fingers. Like I just say like this, so it can grab something or pitching up something. But the current one, well, the traditional one, we only had to open and close. It's just kind of like a simple movement, which does not meet the kind of like daily task requirement.
Can you clarify for me, is that control applicable to any existing prosthesis? So you would sell to prosthesis manufacturers, and that's your customer or your partners, or are you actually the whole prosthesis?
Yeah, so actually we have two ways. So one is we can sell such technicians to the or licensing such technologies to those current prosthetic companies, so they can combine these two together and potentially can benefit those, for example, the rehabilitation centers. Those patients can use it. And the second thing is we are also thinking about to cooperate with the current, for example, the Open Bionic, the company, so that we can come up with a new generation of such prosthetics.
Okay.